This is our next one. Oh. Hey. What are you guys doing here? We are back on another day in a beautiful, gloomy Virginia. This is day 2 in Virginia. We're actually traveling for work, and it was my turn to come out here and help these guys out with their service calls, or I guess stuff they wrote up during PMs and service calls, and they need help doing all the repairs. So that's why I'm here, and I believe I am in Christiansburg, Virginia, somewhere in Virginia, up in the mountains, as you guys can see. All mountains around me, all brand new 2020 Lennox units. Apparently there's 4 units that have leaks in them or look to appear to have oil marks on them, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at those. Use my leak detector, spray them down with bubbles and see if we can find a leak, and yeah, we'll get right into it. Y'all tag along. Alright guys, so sorry. So we got Unit 9 needs a leak repair. All the pictures they sent in, or even a description of what they said, it was mainly all that all they did was send pictures of the compressors and the tag, which that means we're gonna have to do a whole leak searching. So they showed a picture so you can see there's oil. Oh, I mean, yeah, you got some oil down here on this compressor. Filters look pretty good. Yeah, there's oil all over this thing. I don't know if that's just oil from residue from the units, because I mean, these are brand new units, you know what I mean? So, we're gonna find out. So, go ahead and turn this bad boy on. So key features, or if you're doing a leak search, you're gonna need some sort of leak detection device, some bubbles, and your gauges, obviously, to check pressures, and maybe some more refrigerant, which is right over there, in case you need to pump it up with pressure, or even nitrogen, depending on. Oh yeah, what's that? Alright, so enough with that. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of this bubbles on there. And like I said, we have 4 of them to do, and then I gotta change the contactor. So if this video is like cut up into pieces of me, going unit to unit, troubleshooting, trying to find a leak, I'll probably cut it up into like 4 different segments to make it short, or I'll record the exciting parts. Trying to get bubbles in there. Nothing. We'll spray some here. Nothing. So like I said, it might have just been refrigerant flowing down from when they unhooked their gauges. It looks like that's what it is. So I mean, I don't see any bubbles bubbling up or anything like that. So we're gonna hook up our gauges to it and see what our pressures look like, and if it looks pretty decent, then you know, it should be fine. So, get my gloves out, hook up our gauges to it. Oh God, I'm gonna need a wrench. Give me. All right, got a wrench and a screwdriver. We're gonna see that unit. We're gonna take this one. So I believe these are Cormax fittings. Yeah, they are. So nothing. Grab our gauges here. We're gonna turn them on. So I just got these probes, I want to say about a month ago, and this is like I love these things, man. They are so good to work with. They're easy. I got the tees where you can use it to charge a charging tees, anything like that. So, I mean, they're really good tools to have, especially if you're doing like rooftop units or you don't want to carry a bunch of, gauges, everything like that. These are really, really good. So, we're going to log into the Fieldpiece app. And like I said, if I cut this video like different sections, just, there's a lot of stuff going on and I don't want to keep recording it. So, go to measurements. 410. 177. So we'll go to menu. We'll go to data first to check the history if there's any alarms. No alarms regarding pressures. So we're gonna go into service, test, cool, remote compressors. And now we're gonna check the pressures. Ooh, okay. Okay, it's going back up. So we're gonna watch this for a minute and see what it does. All right, so we're on our next leak search number 2 out of 4. First leak search, but everything looked good. Pressures look good for being 60 degrees out here, but had a 19-degree temperature split. Pressures look good. After I got done with it, so we'll see how this goes. This is our next one. Oh, that is not good. Okay, so as you can see, there's a bunch of oil just spilled out. Where is that coming from? I should have put on gloves. What the hell? Alright guys, so we found an issue with this unit number 4. Compressor decided to leak from the seals. Right in there, as you can see, all that Armaflex was on there and led into there where it lost all the oil, as you can see. So those seals are bad, and they're gonna have to order a new compressor. We have 2 more left, and then a contactor. So we're gonna go ahead and hit up the contactor first, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. So quick update. We had to get off of the roof because it is, as you can see, started to rain, and it's that heavy rain. So by our safety people at the place I work at, when it rains, we have to get off of the roof because it's unsafe. It gets slick, and you know, you can fall, trip, everything in between. So next is 2 more units to do leak searches on. Once the rain stops, we can go back up there, check the pressures and see where they're at, and hopefully all of them are good and we don't have to do no crazy brazing or anything like that.